CKF Weekly Health Newsletter. Noise-induced hearing loss. Information from CDC. Noise is all around us and a significant source of hearing loss. Prevention and early detection of hearing loss due to noise is important. Exposure to loud noise can lead to noise-induced hearing loss. Some examples of noisy activities include watching summer fireworks, mowing the lawn, using power tools, watching a sport game, and cheering you on your favorite team, and attending a concert. What are the signs and symptoms of hearing loss? Speech and other sounds seem muffled, trouble understanding speech over the phone, asking others to speak more slowly and clearly, trouble hearing certain sounds such as the difference between S and F in speech. Certain sounds are very bothersome or create pain. Trouble hearing high-pitched sounds, ringing in the ears, turning up the volume of the TV. Let's see what you can do to maintain healthy hearing. So, causes of noise-induced hearing loss are a single loud sound like firecrackers near the ear, repeated exposure to loud sound over time. Risk factors: family history of hearing loss not associated with noise exposure, chronic conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure, injuries to the ear, exposure to organic liquid chemicals such as toluene. How to prevent: turn the volume down, walk away from loud noises, take breaks from the noise, avoid loud noisy activities, and use hearing protections.